Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the case lineup here by Caseology for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Huge shout out to them for sending these out for us to take a look at here on the channel. As you can see, I got 4 different types of cases here. We got the Skyfall series, the Parallax series, the Parallax series, and the Nanopop series. So definitely a good choice to choose from to add some style and protection to your Galaxy S23 Ultra. But we're gonna go ahead and start off with my favorite out of the bunch here, the Parallax Case. Okay, so the first thing that caught my attention when it does come to this Parallax Case right here for the S23 Ultra is just the overall feel in the hand. The material that was used to make this case right here feels really good. It's got a nice grippy-ish feeling all the way around the case, not just on the sides, but on the back as well. If I give you a close-up here, you can see that texture all throughout the back of this case. If I take it over to the sides, as you can see, we've got a nice grip as well, the top and the bottom as well. And even down here at the bottom side, you've got the Caseology branding, but we got some added grip as well on both bottom sides, which prevents this phone from slipping out of your hands or accidentally maybe slipping out of a pocket or a bag. So definitely adds that extra grip, but overall just feels really good in the hand. Doesn't add too much bulk to your device either. And another thing that I do like about this case is the overall color combo that we get here. We get the white with the black. Yes, it's simple, but it looks good, especially on this S23 Ultra. And no, this slit right here is not for any credit cards or anything like that. You can't put anything in there because that is what I thought at first, but it's just to add on to the style of this case and show a little bit more of that white. But I think it looks great overall. Now, when it does come to protection, this is a plastic build around the camera lenses here, while this is more of like a rubbery feel throughout the rest of the case. But taking a closer look at the camera lenses here, as you can see, we got a nice deep cutout there. If I turn the case completely sideways, you cannot see those camera lenses until I rotate it more this way. So a nice deep enough cutout to where if you accidentally drop your phone flat down on a flat surface like that, it should protect it from getting any damage. Or even if you just set your phone flat down like that on a flat surface, maybe slide it around, it'll prevent those lenses from getting scratched. Now going around the device, starting up at the top here, so you can see we've got a nice cutout for the microphone up there, going down to the bottom, nice precise cutouts for the microphones, the charging port, that speaker, and then the S Pen as well, which is very easy to get to. As you can see here, not hard at all. Going over to the sides, nothing on the left side except for that added grip down there at the bottom with the Caseology branding. And then over here to the right, of course, we have the power button, which responds very well. Going to the volume rockers, responds very well as well. As you can see there, nice and clicky, feels really good. And then looking at the display here, we do got some decent protection for the display. We got a good sized lip on the top and the bottom, not the deepest lip. So I wouldn't go slamming this phone down on any flat surface or unflat surface either. It's giving it just enough lift to take maybe some light falls on the display like that. I do keep in mind that I am using a screen protector, so it does kind of raise up the display a little bit. So if we take that screen protector off, these lips will look a little bit deeper, but still not a super deep lip. So I wouldn't go slamming your device down on its face like this, but it still does give some decent protection and just enough lift to where if you do want to have your phone flat down on a flat surface like this, maybe slide it around, it's giving it just enough lift to where you won't scratch up your display or damage it. And as you can see, yes, it is screen protector friendly, so no problems there. Now it does fit on here nice and secure. As you can see there, snaps on really good on the top, on the bottom of each corner. It's on the sides where there's a little bit of give just where the buttons are. But other than that, this case is going to stay nice and secure on your device, so you won't have any problems with it falling off in case you do happen to accidentally drop your phone. But this is the Parallax series, and I do got to mention all these cases range from around $16.99 to $17.99. It's only $1 difference at the time of making this video. And I have a link for all of these down in the description below. But again, this is the Parallax case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And before we move on, let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Let's see. I got my wireless charger right here. Let me make sure. And as you can see, wireless charging is compatible with this case right here. So no problems there for anybody who does like to use wireless charging. But let's go ahead and move on to the next case. Okay, so moving on, this is another one of my favorites here. This is the Parallax series case. And as you can see, I got 3 different colors here. We got the black, green, and burgundy with a little bit of rose gold down there at the bottom, looking really nice. But I do have this matte black one on right now, along with the little It's kind of like a grayish color down there, but a nice color combo. It's got a nice matte finish, and you kind of got that textured feel up here as well. The kind of texture that we felt right here with the Parallax case. Feels really good at the top and the bottom, but overall, very nice looking case. You also got some texture here around the whole middle of the case in the back right here. Got a nice deep enough cutout right there, again, for those lenses in case you do happen to accidentally drop this flat down on a flat surface just like that. Precise cutouts at the bottom for those microphones, speaker, the charging port, and then of course that S Pen, which is still easy to get to with this case right here. And then you also got some texture all the way around, kind of like these lines going all the way around the case. As you can see there, top, bottom, both sides. Again, a precise cutout for that microphone up top. Of course, we get the buttons on the sides. Power button, feeling good, nice and responsive. Volume rockers, still feeling good, nice and responsive as well. And those lines, I wouldn't say they add too much grip to the sides, but it does give it a nice feel in the hand. It doesn't feel bad at all. But as far as this overall feel and texture on the sides, no, it's not going to add any extra grip. Maybe if you're holding your device flat down like this, it will kind of prevent it from slipping down like that. But as far as slipping out of your hand like this, it doesn't add any extra grip like that, but does feel good in the hands. It doesn't add too much bulk to your device when it comes to that display. Again, not the deepest lips, but it's going to give you just enough lift to where if you want to set your phone flat down on a flat surface like that, slide it around, or maybe if you accidentally drop it with a light fall like that, it should protect that front display right there. But overall, very nice looking case. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging with this one right here. Let's see if it is wireless charging compatible. Boom, there you go. As you can see, wireless charging does work with this case as well. The Parallax series case also fits like a glove on here. Now, it's not the tightest fitting case. It's not super hard to put on and get off, but still fits on there very, very well. And you shouldn't have any problems with it falling off of your phone if you do happen to accidentally drop it on any surface. Around the sides, it's pretty nice and secure as well. Again, you got a little bit of give right there where the buttons are. But let's go and check out the other colors here. So of course we got green to go with my green device. Look at that. That green's actually looking really nice as well. A little bit of a different kind of like a metallic green here at the bottom. Not looking too bad there. Let's get a close up. Look at that. Let's go and check out the burgundy color. Snaps on really nice. Look at that. This one looks really good as well. Like I said, this bottom right here kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a copperish rose gold kind of color, but looking really, really nice. So again, this is the Parallax series case. And again, yes, it is wireless charging compatible. Let's go ahead and move on to the Skyfall series. So taking it over to the Skyfall series cases, as you can see, both cases are going to be those see-through cases, except of course for around the sides, top, bottom, and even that camera module. But this is going to allow you to show off that beautiful backing of your Galaxy S23 Ultra. But it does give us kind of like a cool little design right here, or not really design, but like a texture around those camera lenses, as you can see right there. Has a really cool look to it. Again, nice deep cutout for those lenses going around the sides. This is really nice right here. You get some added grip on each side of the case right here. So it's going to help prevent this case from slipping out of your hands, maybe slipping out of your pocket, depending on, you know, how you have it in your pocket. Maybe if you have it going down like this, those grips will help it from, or prevent it from slipping out of your pocket or maybe a bag. But a nice see-through case here, like I said, to show off that beautiful backing of your device. But going around the rest of the case here, of course, we get that power button responding well again. Volume rockers, again, responding well. Going up to the top, nice cutout for that microphone. Nothing on the left side except for that grip along with the Caseology branding. Going down to the bottom, got the precise cutouts for the microphones, charging port, speaker, and that S Pen, which once again is nice and easy to take out. Going to that display, again, not the deepest cutouts, but deep enough to, like I said, if you accidentally have a small drop on its face like that, or if you want to just put your phone face down, it will prevent it from getting scratched up or taking any damage. But overall, it does feel good in the hand. Again, doesn't add too much bulk to your device. And I would assume that it does work with wireless charging, but let's try it out anyways. Boom, as you can see, wireless charging does work. And this is what this one is going to look like. It's black around the camera lenses and then gray around the sides, as you can see here. Get a close up there. And then of course, showing off the back of my phone. Let's go ahead and try out the other case. Let's see how it slaps on. As you can see there, slaps on nice and secure on each corner of these cases. Let's see, ooh, that it's pretty tight here on the bottom. It feels a little bit tighter than the top. There we go. And this is what that purple one is going to look like. Same exact color around the lenses there, but it's going to be purple around the edges of this case. So again, this is the Skyfall series. Let's go and move on to our last Nanopop series. Okay, so taking it over to the Nanopop series here. Not really sure why they call it the Nanopop, but I can kind of assume it's because the colors just pop, at least for these colorful ones right here. Really liking this one right here, the blue and yellow combo. It's got a nice smooth feel in the back of the case here. Feels really, really good in the hands. Really nice smooth feel. And then where the camera lenses are, it is a harder plastic, still giving us that nice deep cutout for the lenses there. Now what's cool about these is these also add some added grip here on the side. Just a nice texture, and it feels like it's even a bit more grippy than what they added for the Skyfall series case here. And it feels really nice, really good in the hands. Now it is smoother up here where the buttons are. So of course, you know, we have the power button, which responds good. Volume rockers, nice and responsive, nice and clicky. Of course, we got that precise cutout for the microphone up top, nothing over here on the left, except for that added grip there on the bottom with Caseology branding going down to the bottom. Of course, precise cutouts for the charging port, microphone, speaker, and that S Pen, which is nice and easy to get to. And then of course, the lips on the top and bottom for that display. And it looks like they're pretty much the same size for all of these cases right here. So again, I wouldn't go slamming your phone flat down on a flat surface. And I do recommend using any of these cases with a screen protector just to give you some added protection. As you can see, all these cases are screen protector friendly. I am currently using the Whitestone dome glass on here, which I will have linked down in the description below as well. But let's go and check out wireless charging with this one right here. Let's see if it's wireless charging compatible. Boom, wireless charging compatible with the Nanopop series case as well. But really liking this color right here. And then of course we got some Caseology little logo down there at the bottom. But let's go and check out the black with gray color right here. So let's slap it on. There we go, slaps on real good, fits nice and secure on this device. As you can see, slaps on good around the corners. Let's try this one, boom. And this is what this one is going to look like, a nice matte finish, still with that smooth texture, with that gray camera module there in the back for those lenses. Looking really, really nice. Let's go ahead and try out the green. Here we go. And this is what that green one is going to look like. This is kind of like a lime green right here. Not really sure how I feel about this. I would have liked it if, I do like this green right here, but not really sure about the lighter one. But I'm sure there are people that will like this color right here. Let's get a close up on that. And that is what that one is going to look like. And looking at the inside of all of these cases, except for the see-through ones as well, as you can see, they all got this same design on the inside. No, they are not MagSafe compatible. I know that's kind of a big deal for a lot of people. Me personally, not really. I'm not an Apple device user, and I'm fine with using either my wireless charger or just plugging the phone right in. I'm perfectly fine with that. MagSafe is not a big deal for me, but I know it is for some people, so I had to go ahead and mention that. But what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. Again, this is the Nanopop series right here. Got the Skyfall series right here, Parallax series, and the Athlix series. And like I said, I have links for these all down in the description below. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.